to be you, has to be you.
Hey guys, it's Yaz with Redline Society, and today we're here to give you guys a full rundown on our latest giveaway. This is RS59, a 2017 Nissan GTR that comes along with $20,000 in cash. Now, as you can tell, this vehicle has been fully modified, fully gone through. So we're here to kind of go over a little bit of everything so you guys know exactly what you're getting into. Now, let's begin with the exterior. First thing everyone's been asking, what color is it? Is this a wrap? This is KPMF created this color. It's an Imperial Orchid. It is a wrap. Underneath is a OEM pearl white. But let's dig in a little deeper here. Now, as you can tell, this vehicle does have a body kit. The body kit was made by KP Carbon. The front bumper here, this is a 𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗧 style front bumper with tons of carbon fiber throughout. We'll come along the side here. Now up front, we're running a Mickey Thompson Street SS tire. It's a 305/40/18. Now this wheel typically does not come in a beadlock. MacFab fabricated these and added a beadlock ring on there. Now for brakes, these are Nissan GTR carbon ceramic brakes with a 2-piece rotor there. Huge pistons, huge caliper I should say, about 6 pistons. Now along the side here, we have some more carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber vents here with the GTR logo. Down low, we have carbon fiber side skirts, also done by KP Carbon. These doors are full carbon fiber as well. They're OEM style carbon fiber doors. Also here we have carbon fiber mirrors. On the rear, we have a 15x12 TCU Performance beadlock wheel as well. This is wrapped in a Mickey Thompson ET Street R. Nice meaty tire. It's a 325/50/15 in the rear. Now for the rear bumper, this is also a 𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗧 style rear bumper with a carbon fiber diffuser. For taillights, we went with Alpha Rex LED clear taillights. We thought these would be a really nice touch with the purple. Up top, we have a carbon fiber Aero Motions active aero wing, which is tied into the Motec system, which we'll go over in a little bit here. Now in the back, this does have a custom fabricated parachute kit here done by PPC, also known as Precision Performance, out of Utah. Now let's go up front and we'll dig into the engine, what's been done under the hood. Now, I don't know if I went over it with you guys, but this is an OEM style hood, also done in full carbon fiber. And in the engine bay, everything has been gone through here. The guys over at PPC did a full build on this thing here. As you can see, everything's nice and shiny. This is a full billet engine. This is a 4.1 liter stroker engine, full billet. Like I said, we have billet timing covers, billet valve covers, billet crankshaft. Everything has been gone through on this. As you can see here, we have carbon fiber, Alpha Performance, intake manifold here. This is the 12 injector option. This vehicle is currently running 12 2600cc injectors by Injector Dynamics. Now all this piping, the charge pipes, the intercooler piping was done in titanium. Up front here, we have an air to water intercooler system. Down low, you'll see this thing is powered by twin 79mm Garrett turbos. The fuel system is running a mechanical belt-driven fuel pump that runs all the way to the back. It's ran off of the gear in the drive shaft, and then you'll see, we'll show you guys the lines in the back where we have the fuel cell. Now PPC also did some custom work on the wiring. We have ignition coils out to the sides here. Now the vehicle does have a kill switch as well. It does have an upgraded radiator here. As you can tell, it's super thick. Keeps this thing nice and cold. We also have an ice box in the back we'll show you. Now take a look at this, guys. Here we have twin wastegates here coming straight out of the hood here. These are Garrett 50mm wastegates. And we have a blow-off valve on each side here, as you can see. Now on this build, they are running 74mm Bosch throttle bodies. And as you can tell, Magnus makes these really nice couplers to pair with the nice titanium piping here. Very nice touch. Now Magnus also made a dry sump system for this vehicle for us. Right here is a tank that holds all the oil to the engine. Right in here, here's your dipstick. You can pull this out, your dipstick's right in there. And let's get around the back. We'll show you guys what's in the trunk. All right, guys, so in the trunk, so I already showed you guys this is an active aero wing. This is tied into the Motec system. This vehicle is running a full Motec M150 standalone system. Now, ours is tied into the Motec like I mentioned, but you can also come in here and select some of your thresholds on what you want to adjust. Now in the trunk here, we have our ice box, we have our 10-gallon fuel cell, and we have a giant oil catch can system here. This work was all done by PPC, Precision Performance. Now the car does have like an external power steering, which was added here. This is a power steering reservoir. And for those of you that are asking about this extra tank back here, this is CO2. The vehicle is equipped with a Safecraft fire suppression system under the hood. I'll show you guys inside. There's a pin you can pull, and if in case there was something to happen, you can pull that and it will suppress the fire under the hood. Now this brace here was put in place not only to help with the structural integrity of the car, but it also helps mount this wing here. This is a chassis mount wing. And as you can tell here, this deck lid is full carbon fiber as well. Now down low, guys, you'll see, we'll come through this hole here. You can see 2 coolant pumps there that help circulate the coolant all the way from the front to the back of this ice box here. And let's dig into the interior. We'll show you guys what's going on in here. Here we have our full carbon fiber doors with the carbon fiber door cards here. Everything is fully functional. You do have a functioning lock here. This is how you open it right here. And then we have some options to open and close both driver window, passenger window, a window lockout for the passenger side, and lock and unlock there. Speakers do work. Let's close in on the steering wheel. Now we do have a carbon fiber steering wheel. This is made by 𝗪𝗧. This is Alcantara with red stitching and a full carbon fiber style. Now these bucket seats are also full carbon fiber. These are Recaro Podium Racing seats. They're actually pretty comfortable. And we currently have a 5-point race harness on there to keep us nice and safe. Back here, I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it does have a Rampage roll bar in the back here. This is the track version, so it has the extra bracing. As you can tell, we have Nitrous tank mounted right in the center here on a custom PPC mount. This is a nitrous outlet dry nitrous system. Over the top of the bottle right now, we have a warming blanket because it's not in use. We don't have it wrapped around or anything. Now this trunk space or this rear seat space has been deleted. It's a full carbon fiber backing to give it a nice finished look. Now this vehicle does have a purge system. I'll show you guys how it works. So guys, right in here, we have this little line here. We'll show you guys. I have a button right here under the dash, which controls our purging. That controls the purging of the nitrous. So in here, guys, as you can tell, it was kept pretty stock, besides obviously the race options that were added. So in here, as you can tell, the factory emergency brake was pulled out. We have a billet parachute handle here. Obviously you pull this, it ejects the parachute. Right now we have a safety pin in it, so it's not going to eject. Here we have the handle for the fire suppression system I was talking about earlier. And as you can tell, it does have carbon fiber, all this original carbon fiber throughout. On the shift knob here, on the nice center console, we have some carbon. Now the vehicle does have a functioning nav system, touchscreen radio. I did want to show you guys this pretty cool startup sequence. This is a Motec aftermarket dash that's tied into the Motec ECU. PPC also put this in. Show you guys what it looks like there. Super awesome dash. Now, as you can tell here, I don't know, can you zoom in? We show off, we're on map 0 currently. This thing has been tuned on 9 maps, so we're able to come right in here on this cancel button, and we can just scroll up and go up map 1, map 2, map 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this button here does have a dual purpose. This also works for the rolling anti-lags. This vehicle is equipped with rolling anti-lag, so you're able to just hold this button down, hit the gas, let go of the button, and the car will go into boost almost immediately. So this button here, all these buttons work. This button in particular is for the electronic suspension here. It does have the original Bilstein electronic dampers there. You can adjust at a touch of a button. This vehicle does have the OEM Bilstein electronic dampening system on the suspension, and it has been lowered with KW lowering springs on the front and the rear. Now back here, take a look at this brake. I forgot to mention earlier, you have to change the brake system. PPC created this 15-inch brake kit to fit the tiny 15-inch wheel. Now this vehicle is equipped with tubular subframes front and rear made by Redline. Now it does have some suspension components. The control arms are torque solutions. That's where you get the adjustability to control your camber and your toe in the rear. So to wrap this up, just want to go over it one more time for you guys. This is not paint, this is wrap. The color is called Imperial Orchid by KPMF. The drivetrain is still an all-wheel drive system featuring carbon ceramic brakes up front. We have a smaller 15-inch kit in the rear to fit the 15-inch wheels. The vehicle has 9 maps ran on a Motec system with a Motec dash in the interior there. So the maps, every time you go up a map, it increases the horsepower. The vehicle is currently ran on E85. It does have a flex fuel system, so you can run anything from pump E85 up to X98. The wing is active aero, so it is tied into the Motec system. You can control it via speed, you can control it with the braking, the cornering as well. Full drivetrain has been built. The transmission is a Shep Trans Stage 6. It's been fully gone through. It has really nice Datsun gears. PPC also built the differentials with LSDs in the front and rear. The front differential is full billet as well. The bell housing on the engine is full billet as well. Again, these Recaro Podium racing seats in full carbon fiber, super solid. They keep you nice and safe. Very comfortable ride as well. And I'd say that's it. If I can say anything at all, I'd say this is the vehicle to get entered into. I mean, you're not gonna find a vehicle like this that's pushing over 2,500 horsepower, okay? Built to this quality. It drives super smooth. And to top it off, it comes with $20,000 in cash. So make sure you guys hop on our website, get entered into this before it's gone, or you will regret it. Good luck, guys.